Hey guys, can you solve complex multiplication of 3 digits numbers in 5 seconds? No. Let's solve together by using square boxes method. So stay connected with us till the end. We have a number 758 and 349 to be multiplied to each other without use of calculator. Step 1. Take digit 3 and multiply all the values by using lines. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 8 equals 24. Next take 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 8 equals 32. Next take 9. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 8 equals 72. Step 2. Sum up the values diagonally and get the final answer like this way. 2 remains same. 5 plus 7 plus 2 equals 14. Keep 4 and 1 carry. Note carry will be added in the next. 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 and 1 previous carry equals 15. Keep 5 and 1 carry again. 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 and 1 previous carry equals 24. Keep 4 and 1 carry again. 2 plus 1 and 1 carry equals 6. Keep 6. At the last 2 remain same. We get 264,542. This is final answer. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Try this problem and let us know by like and commenting.